Hello, my name's Daniel Fowler, and I'm here to tell you about IntelliHealth Solutions Incorporated. It's a healthcare products and services company that will be providing integrated in-home healthcare solutions to patients and doctors with an innovative testing and diagnosis capability that I think you'll find interesting. To date, we haven't talked to any gurus or customers, but that is in the works, and so we'll hear more about that here in the near future. So I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our business model. So from a key partners perspective, we're looking at WSU or possibly other universities as key partners. They have technology and intellectual property that will help us as we design and build this product. Obviously, we need someone that understands the design and build, so we'll need a technology-driven company, or we'll need to find people that are good at doing that. So from a marketing perspective, we also need somebody that understands the healthcare experience, understands the market, so that they can help us build the buzz and to learn also what the customers are looking for, so we can build it into our technology. And then another key partner is Quotient Technology Incorporated. They're a company that synthesizes data from coupon sales and that sort of thing and provides that data to consumer product goods companies. And we think that we can leverage the data that we'll be able to collect from these based on getting the permission of the patient, but we'll be able to leverage that data and sell that data to consumer product goods companies. It might be more beneficial to partner with them rather than try to establish those relationships on our own. From a key activities perspective, obviously R&D is the number one activity that we need to be involved in. A lot of these technologies already exist, and what is unique in our offering is that we'll be combining those and integrating them in such a way that makes it easy to use not only at home or even possibly in doctors' offices and other locations. So that'll be a key activity for us. Again, I mentioned marketing. That's why they were a key partner earlier, is the marketing and the sales aspect to understand what the market is looking like, how is it going to be shaped by our technology, which we feel is a disruptive influence on the market. And then from a licensing perspective, it doesn't necessarily make sense to go reinvent the wheel, and so are there licensing opportunities so that we can take these parts of technology and functionality and integrate them into one whole. And so we'll be looking into the licensing as an activity that will be key to our success. From a resources perspective, just want to touch on that very quickly. Obviously, we'll need some investment, and in that case, looking to angel investors that understand the medical market would be even better. The intellectual property is something that's key to how we're going to pull this together. And then from the academia world, I think we can leverage the different projects that universities have and leverage that into building our product. So what is our product really going to do for people? Well, it's going to lessen the home health care cost. It's going to decrease the cost of primary care, so the doctors will be paying less in overheads and that sort of thing. It'll increase convenience, so a lot easier to get your health taken care of from home. And we're going to have this increased health data available, so it's going to help not only the people that develop products, but also the universities to do studies and that sort of thing. So we think that's really valuable, that we'll be able to sell that data and leverage that data. Other relationships that are key are going to be personal assistance and co-creation. We think the co-creation is really how we're going to be able to leverage and get this off the ground and continue to hold on to market share going forward by using that as an opportunity to refine our product. We think to get the product out there, not only can we do that online, which is an obvious choice, but through medical supplies and through stores and doctors' offices. Primarily doctors' offices are going to be a really big channel because we need them to prescribe this and supplies as well, so that insurance companies will then pay for it. So that'll be a key channel to get this done. From a customer segment perspective, we feel that this is going to be a multi-sided platform in that there's going to be three primary segments. that are interrelated, and there's interdependencies that we're going to be able to leverage. So we have healthcare providers, doctors, in-home health care, hospitals, that sort of thing. Obviously the patients, and then academia and the customer product goods. And I touched on that earlier, but I think those three together are going to be the primary customers for our product, and we'll have to leverage the engagement among those three, and also the data among those three, so that we can refine and build our product. So if you want to know more, you can obviously click on the slides here and they'll take you to more information. I appreciate your time, and if you have any questions, please let me know.